Amphenol Sine Systems ecomate RSSM series circular metal connectors provide a rugged, sealed connection for factory automation, industrial heavy equipment, transportation, and other harsh indoor or outdoor applications. The ecomate RSSM series are IP69K rated in the mated condition and offer UV and corrosion resistance. The connectors are available in 8 shell sizes with a robust zinc alloy body and a nickel aluminum bayonet coupling mechanism for a secure connection. They're offered with machined, stamped and formed RadSock and PCB contacts in 32 insert arrangements, with ratings up to 45 amps and 600 volts for standard contacts, and up to 300 amps and 630 volts for RadSock contacts. The design is based on MIL DTL 26482, and the connectors can operate at temperatures up to 105 degrees Celsius.